आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ वाई एवरीबडी ऑन द इंटरनेट इज़ ट्राइंग कंटेंट क्रिएशन मेरी पर्सनल स्टोरी के साथ। ओके, सो एक साल पहले आई वॉज वर्किंग इन अ वर्क फ्रॉम होम सिचुएशन वेयर आई वॉज केटरिंग US एंड UK क्लाइंट्स, जिसके चलते मेरे वर्किंग आवर्स होते थे कोर नाइट के आस। दैट मीन्स मैं 12 बजे अपनी शिफ्ट शुरू करती थी और 6 बजे अपनी सुबह शिफ्ट ख़त्म करती थी, जिससे मेरी बॉडी, मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ, एवरीथिंग वॉज गोइंग थ्रू अ वेरी बैड फेस. So one day, without thinking कि क्या होगा, I just resigned, and I think for 2 months I couldn't find a job. But in those 2 months, what I did is I always wanted to do YouTube. तो मैंने YouTube videos बनाने शुरू किए, and those videos were nothing but just like how can you get work from home, और जो मेरी कंपनी थी उसके बारे में थोड़ी बहुत knowledge and how you can apply, what should be in your CV, और ऐसे I think 8 से 9 videos होंगे. 2 महीने के बाद I got a job interview in an agency. So I've interviewed with my manager and he asked me on those 2 months what I did when I did not have a job, and very shyly, because I was kind of proud of my project, but I also knew कि लोग कितना अच्छा कर रहे थे उस टाइम पे YouTube पे, so I was also a bit shy. But I told him that, you know what, I made this channel and I made YouTube videos, and he watched all of them and he asked, did you edit all of these on your own? And I said, yeah, I know a little bit of like editing. And he just said, okay, let's wait for our founder. He's based in Mumbai, and we'll see your profile and then I'll give you a call back. The founder called me and he said, hi Andra, I was really impressed by your portfolio, and I think it's great. So I was confused. I was like, I didn't attach any portfolio. And then I asked him, I'm sorry, I didn't get it, because I thought he must have been confused with some other employee. And he said, your YouTube channel. And I was like, oh my god, it's not even that great. I just did it because I had time. And he said, no, it's great. I mean, with, of course it needs polishing, but with little training and with right tools, your videos could really good well. And we are looking for people who can make videos for our brands. Imagine, when I was making those videos, I had no idea that this YouTube will actually help me in getting a job. तो अगली बार जब आपको कोई कंटेंट क्रिएट करता हुआ मिले, या आपको लगे देयर इज़ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर यू टू क्रिएट कंटेंट, टू पुट आउट योर स्किल्स और पुट आउट एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव ऑन द इंटरनेट, जस्ट डू इट. It might not directly help you the way you think it will, but it will have an effect in your career or in something you are doing. And be kinder to content creator, guys.